Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make cheesecake. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment, ensuring everything is ready. It is crucial that your cream cheese is at room temperature. This prevents lumps and ensures a silky smooth batter. A springform pan is essential for baking and easy removal, giving your cheesecake a professional finish. Pay attention to these initial steps for a truly delightful dessert. Next, prepare your crust by pressing graham cracker crumbs firmly into the bottom of your springform pan. For the filling, combine softened cream cheese with sugar and eggs, mixing until just combined. Overmixing can incorporate too much air, leading to cracks during baking, so be gentle. This careful approach ensures a dense, rich, and perfectly textured cheesecake. Baking in a water bath is key for a creamy texture and to prevent cracking, providing gentle, even heat. Once baked, turn off the oven and let the cheesecake cool slowly inside with the door ajar for about 1 hour. This gradual cooling prevents sudden temperature changes. Finally, chill your cheesecake for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, before slicing and serving. For the perfect finish, consider adding your favorite toppings like fresh berries, a rich chocolate ganache, or a tangy lemon curd. When serving, use a warm, sharp knife for clean, elegant slices every time. Remember to wipe the knife between cuts for the best presentation. Also, if you are looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check out the link in the description for a great book and other deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade cheesecake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.